I need you to never doubt your worth, never doubt your value. Here's why. Your soul, who you are, means so much that the devil will not stop until he has you, and that Jesus came and died on the cross to save you. Listen, we all have value. We are purchased with the blood of Jesus Christ. We are made in his image. We all hold value. Don't let anyone ever make you think that you are not important, that you do not hold value, that God does not have a plan for you. Because if it were actually true that you did not matter, the enemy wouldn't work so hard to destroy you. No one breaks into an empty house. There's something in there that they want because they know there's something in there that holds value. You have value.